Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello Board Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable task view on taskbar in Windows 11. So for this case we will go this here. So before that, what is the task view? So here the task view, that means the window, whatever we work in this window, and the task view has been revealed or the icon has been appear in this line. So go to the settings option. So here already I click here before, see. So here personalization we will go. So in below section, see the taskbar behavior system pins, we will click here. See here the task view. So I have off it before, now I want to on. So when I on this session, so here in this area the taskbar will be appear in this session. See, the taskbar icon has come. So here we will see it clearly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.